everyone, I am Prerna Saraugi, the Assistant Editor at CAclubindia. In this video today, we'll talk about GST course. Who should take a GST course and what are the key points that you should keep in mind while selecting a GST course? As we all know, GST is one of the major tax reforms in the country. There has been a paradigm shift in the indirect tax structure with the rollout of GST with effect from 1st July 2017. This has directly impacted the professionals, consultants, industrialists, SMEs, entrepreneurs, executives working in corporations, and aspiring professionals. So if you are any one of these, it is absolutely essential that you understand and grasp the new taxation structure, associated compliances, and the changes in the business processes emerging therefrom. The change in indirect taxation system, the new GST regime will bring a sea of opportunities for all. EY had said that in its indirect tax practice, there was an increase by 60% in the hiring process, and all of them were related to GST. This means that if you take up a GST course, it will not only help you implement the change in the law, but also upgrade your skill set. So there are two things that a GST course must provide for. First is the conceptual clarity of the law, and the second is the practical aspects. Now, how do you ensure that both the things are covered in the course? To check, first check out the credentials of the instructor, and the second thing is the course presentation, the delivery and the explanation method. Now, the credentials of the instructor is very important so that you know you are learning from an expert and not an amateur. And secondly, if the delivery is good and illustrative methods have been used in the explanation, such as charts, graphs, practical case studies, you will not lose interest in the duration of the course. So let me tell you the best course available on GST. We at CAclubindia have launched a certification course on GST, keeping in mind all the parameters that I've just shared with you. The course is taught by Mr. Bimal Jain himself. He is one of the most sought after professionals in the field of indirect taxation. He is a leading expert in the field of GST, and he is also the author of one of the most finest books on GST called GST Law Analysis. The expertise of Mr. Bimal Jain gives this course the credential it needs. Second, coming to the delivery. Mr. Bimal Jain has a very unique method of teaching. He teaches everything in a very simplified manner with relatable examples. In the course, charts, graphs, illustrations, animations have been used for better conceptual clarity. And lastly, it also comes with a certification. Now, the certification of participation is available for all. But if you wish to be a certified GST practitioner, you can opt for the assessment part, which will be very easy for you to clear because you will be conceptually clear with the law through the course, and you can actually practice as a certified GST practitioner. In the end, I would like to emphasize on one important thing, especially for professionals and aspiring students. It is very important to stay upgraded in this competitive field. Take online courses, upgrade your skill set, and stay ahead in this game. It is very important that you keep yourself upgraded. You upgrade your skill set now and then. That's all about it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. Please tell us about it in the comment section below, and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.